Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to talk about Mesh by Amazon niche research. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm giving you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. I'm currently working on Mesh by Amazon and Redbubble. Instead of doing like everyone, when we want to look for mesh research, and for example go to Mesh Informer and click on the search button here, find Mesh by Amazon t-shirt design, or maybe go to this research based website, which is basically the same as the Mesh Informer. We're gonna go directly on Amazon and look for niches based on themes. We have to understand that the top theme when we are looking for t-shirt design are gonna be the one that are right there. Of course, we can find many more, but these are the ones that I have found are most profitable: retro, distressed, vintage, sarcastic, cute, funny, and text-only design, etc. Let's say, for example, I want to look for funny t-shirt design. What I'm gonna do is to go to Amazon and directly type in funny t-shirt, and we can see that automatically Amazon is auto-completing here the text, and the first one that we have here is funny t-shirt for men. But let's type in only funny t-shirts because we don't know yet if we want to design for men or women. And what we are seeing is the list of t-shirts, not only Mesh by Amazon t-shirt, but also fulfilled by merchant t-shirt. And we have here coat, t-shirt with coat that are text only. A lot of them are text only. That's why if you go to the themes here, we can see text only, just to say that text only design are also selling. So these are funny t-shirt. Okay, so each one of them with text and so on are basically sub niches. These are funny phrases that people did and they are making sales. They are very good sellers, as you can see. Our objective is not to copy what already exists. You can see this one is very popular, and even if I go to again Amazon.com, always on incognito mode, and make sure that the delivery to here is your address, and I type I was left unsupervised t-shirt, you're gonna see that competition here is C 253, but if I go to page 3, you're gonna see over 7,000 results. So if you want to compete on this niche, even if all the design are not saying I was left unsupervised, but still Amazon, based on this code here, if you want to create a design like this one, then you're gonna compete with more than 7,000 results. What we want to achieve in our niche research here by looking funny t-shirt is to look for funny phrases, and on internet you can have a lot of idea on funny phrases. Let's go, for example, on google.com and look for funny phrases, short, and I can see here funny phrases short. Short phrases can be very interesting to create t-shirt. And if I go to image, if you think I'm short, etc., I link it so it's mine. Okay, so you have a lot of funny phrases that you can find on Google, and of course you have to check if they are trademarked or no before creating a design based on this code. Okay. So our objective is not to copy what already exists on Amazon. Of course, if the competition is not a lot, you can go ahead and put a free design there. But when you have competition like the one that you have here with more than 7,000 results, unless you want to run ad to try to outrank, you have to go on your own, find other funny phrases and design based on them. Okay, and if I take another theme, let's take for example Printful, and I go again to Amazon, retro t-shirt, same thing. I'm gonna find a bunch of t-shirts. Of course, we're gonna avoid everything that is copyrighted, Star Wars, Disney, and so on. And we will see a lot of retro based design that we can use, that we can create our design on. Okay, so this is a very short video just to show you how you can find idea based on these themes. You can pause the video, copy them, and go to Amazon directly and look for t-shirt based on these different themes that we have here and create a lot of design. Thank you for your time. Please consider like and subscribe. Have a nice day.